Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Hey, Mike Foster here, having a walk and talk. How you guys doing? You know, there's an old saying, what came first, the chicken or the egg? Well, I don't know the answer to that. You guys can debate that for a couple of years. But I'm going to say this is called chicken versus the egg. Now, any of you fans of Live Life 365 and Foster know that I consider myself the fried egg sandwich king, and there's a reason for that. I've got a lot of fried egg sandwich videos, and I have over 100 videos just on different ways to eat eggs. To say I love eggs is an understatement. I love the versatility of eggs. I love the protein you get from eggs, the health you get from eggs. I like the taste of eggs. I like the simplicity of eggs. To me, cooking an egg is easy. And if you need help cooking eggs, check out these playlists I have in the cards and below that should be able to help you. So that's eggs. So what about chicken? Well, chicken's also easy to prepare, versatile, and I've got videos on ways to cook chicken. You can have ground chicken, you can have fried chicken, you could have stir-fried chicken, you could have baked chicken, you could have barbecue chicken, you have grilled chicken. You can mix it with veggies, you can mix it with potatoes, and I've made dozens of chicken recipes. And I've been eating chicken all my life. You can make a chicken sandwich, you can get deli chicken sliced up. Man, chicken versus eggs. Now, they're from the same, I guess, animal, but they're so different in taste. I've even got a video, check this one out, fried egg chicken sandwich, which actually came out really, really good. I love them both. Chicken versus eggs. Why don't you guys let me know in your comments which ones you like better? Which ones you think are tastier or better to eat, better for you, easier to make? I can't make a decision, but I guess, again, if someone said, Mike, you can only have one, after a long debate, I think I'd pick the eggs. Because I'll tell you why, eggs are easier to store. They're easier to, I think, to prepare. And you guys know me, I'm Foster, the fried egg sandwich king. So if you like this video, check it out. All my other ones, thumb it up. Tell people about Live Life 365 and visit YouTube on my Live Life 365 station. And keep living Life 365 and eating your eggs and your chicken. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.